Hey kings and queens, peace, love and light. Hope you're doing alright so far. Just want you guys to know that I love you, I appreciate you, and I want you to work on yourself so you can be the better version of your best self. So yeah guys, we have new products and services available. We have our herbal capsules with our vegan capsules. We have our organic nuts and seeds. We have our chlorophyll, and also yeah guys, we have our immune juice now. So if you're worried about the taste of the chlorophyll, we have the immune juice. It's just as powerful as the chlorophyll, and it's also more flavorful and tasty. It is used with sweetening with natural sweeteners such as honey. Speaking of honey, let's jump over here. Now guys, if you know, honey by itself has a lot of potent medicinal benefits for your energy, your health, your immune system, for building your body in so many ways. So you know what we did? We went out and we got our jars, our canning jars, and we combined the honey with also medicinal herbs. So yeah guys, we have 7 different varieties and variations for the honey infused herb. We have honey infusions that can boost your immune system. We have the daily immune booster. We have the one that can actually remove parasites from your body. We have one to improve blood circulation, and if you want to get belly fat away, we have that as well for weight loss. If you want to improve your sex drive, guys, we have herbs that we have infused with our honey. Guys, I went all the way to Portland. This is all natural, organic, 100% Jamaican honey. No additives, no preservatives, no fillers, no additives in the sense where it's not natural. Honey by itself is a natural preservative, guys. And we've added the capsule formula from our chlorophyll capsules, guys, to the honey as well. So if you wanted to give you all the listed benefits that I just told you a while ago, we have that as well. So guys, you can customize your honey infusions with your herbs based to your liking, based to your needs, based to your taste, whatever you need, guys. We have it all available here. We also have our herbal infused oil. We use all natural virgin coconut oil, guys. So yeah guys, you have no excuse to not want to become the better version of your best self. And if you want a snack, we have our organic nuts and seeds. We have the listing of different seeds here. We have cashew, we have almond, we have peanut, we have cranberry, we have walnut, pistachio, Brazilian nut, chia seed, sesame seed, sunflower seed, flaxseed, prudence, and raisins. Guys, we have over 6 different products and services here available for you right now. All you need to do is call, reach out. We have capsules, we have nuts and seeds, we have juices and chlorophyll for building your immune system and detoxing. We have herbal honey infusions, and we have infused oils that you can actually take daily to improve your overall health and boost your immune system. Guys, you have no reason to not want to become the better version of your best self. So if your aim is weight loss, building your immune system, energy, we have all you need and so much more to become the better version of your best self. Peace, love, and light.